According to a study by the Social Science Research Center, 65% of us are visual learners, like me. A pretty compelling reason to include visual content in your digital marketing.
Not quite convinced? I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to tell you the 3 primary reasons why visual content is crucial in digital marketing.
In a study conducted by the Visual Teaching Alliance, they found the eye can process 36,000 visual messages per hour, and that 90% of information transmitted to the brain is visual.
These 2 factors together provide the first reason visual content is crucial to digital marketing: faster, better message transmission. In fact, they found the brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than any text.
Think of the classic Nike ads, "Just do it." Yes, it's text, but without that visual content depicting athletes at their best or working their hardest, would those 3 words really have the same meaning or impact?
Visual content is far superior to text when it comes to triggering a strong reaction, which is the second reason it's a vital part of digital marketing.
In addition, visual stimuli and emotional response are linked together in the brain, leading to the making of memories, or in this case, a more memorable piece of digital marketing.
Think of marketing campaigns around the holidays. Popular visual content usually consists of families gathered together, something to tug at your heartstrings and make you feel nostalgic.
Digital marketing, and really all marketing, is about telling a compelling, engaging story about your brand in a limited amount of time.
If you believe the old saying, "A picture's worth 1,000 words," then you have to agree that visual content is the best way to tell a story that pulls your customers in. This is the third reason: visual content increases customer engagement.
So to recap, visual content is a vital part of digital marketing because it offers faster message transmission, triggers emotional reactions, and engages customers. This is Darlene, I'm Emily, thanks for watching.